Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, 35mm reversal film for Walkman, Sony Walkman. This is not actual commercial or anything like that, just product shot. Well, I have this image for subject today, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Today I want to colorize this image first, then let's see what kind of imagination I'm going to get from the color photograph. Well, this is kind of not much exciting colored whites, so I want to add colors to make something interesting, something exciting. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this layer just in case compared to original image. Then I'm gonna take all the colors out. Here, saturation 2, saturation none, 0. Then let it touch, maybe lighten up, yeah, just a touch. Alright, now I'm gonna start from here. I'm gonna add layer 4 color first over this black and white image, then change blend mode to color as always, then using brush, airbrushing to medium airbrush. Okay, we go for skin tone first. First, just real rough. Alright, now go for makeup. Let's see, eraser tool. I'm gonna select same medium blend, that's fine. Well, smudge tool, same texture of the airbrushing, medium blend. Not yet though. Okay, let's see. Now the costume. What color was? Well, let's make it reddish. green maybe. Well, what do you think? Green, that's cute. And blue maybe. Okay. Now red. Alright, pretty much done for some part. Now I want to add one more layer for color on these no densities on it. So just add. Then let's see about her shirt. Maybe I can undo this. Okay, I'm gonna move this layer under this color. Then paint on maybe just yellowish light color. Let's see. This blend mode is just normal, so I just paint it on layer. Let's see. Now, how about background? Well, about background. Okay, I'm gonna add here, add background. Let's see about some interesting background, interesting texture with the brush. Find something kind of soft feeling on her background and kind of noisy, funny background on him. Maybe. This is interesting. Alright. Kind of fun, huh? Okay, I'm going to change layer. So this is background and I'm going to duplicate. Now I'm going to clear. Then her background is going to be kind of soft image, right? That's interesting. But I want more soft image. How is this? That's kind of interesting, isn't it? Okay, I'm gonna make mask. This is background of her feeling. Okay, make mask. Then mask with airbrushing to, well, soft brush. And same thing, is background. Make mask. Then just touch. Alright, guess that's for background. Now I want to go for some colors on foreground. So let's see, on same layer here. Okay, now I'm going to smudge. Okay, now almost done. Now for background today. Well, just touch up some smudge. Now I may use this pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to That's kind of nice illustration type image. Well, that's for tomorrow. Yeah, now it's normal. Turn it off. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. Well, I had this original image. Yep, this is today's original image. Started with, then I changed just desaturated to black and white, turning black and white. Then I add color on his skin models, overall colored like this compared to original image, like this to this, totally different, huh? Then oh, that's interesting, huh? Look at this, color over original image goes kind of darker. This is black and white. Well, and I add colored on her shirt. There's no density, so I just painted on yellow. Maybe I smudged a little bit more, huh? Oh, not here, right here. Need to some more touch up. Alright. Then I add background, like his background, noisy expression. His hopes is this. This is the one. Then soft image for her background. Expression is this, with mask. Well, that's about it for today. And thank you again. And well, I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day. I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And next time I'm going to use pencil drawing type image to change blend mode, some different expression hopefully. Well, thank you, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.